Okay, it is Saturday, 17th of January, 2026. About 10 till 4, 54 degrees. We're going to be doing a product review of this Epic water filter, anywhere bottle. It comes with 2 filters. We won't be able to try it live today, but we will be trying it live when we get out in the field. As y'all know, I'm always out in the woods, along the creeks, back roads, rivers, whatever, and I carry a lot of distilled water. Well, this will eliminate a lot of that. This is the anywhere bottle, everywhere bottle. It's got a filter in it that will filter out any fresh water, anywhere you're at, chemicals, heavy metals, asbestos, microbes, the names I can't even pronounce, but just all sorts of stuff. All of the packaging and everything is 100% compostable. Like I said, the other filter is for tap water, like you use in your house. They have 2 other types of filters too. They have a pitcher, and they also have the under sink mount. Hey, Shop Cat, what's up? Shop Cat has just come off of guard duty. She just walked the perimeter, make sure everything was fine, and now she said she wants to get in on this review of this Epic water filter anywhere bottle. Each one of these filters will filter about 75 gallons of water, and if you do like I do, distilled water, I get it cheaper at about $1.28, $1.30, so you figure $1.30 for $1.40 a gallon, and you figure 75 gallons, well, that's well over $100, where this one filter in here will take care of about 75 gallons. And then the other filter in there for the tap water, it'll take care of about $75. So that is a great value. And the pitcher, I'll be using it, camping, hiking, whatever I do, wherever I go. And the pitcher, if you're in a campsite or whatever, we can use a pitcher to fill it up, and then we can use it for whatever we're going to use. Our kettle for coffee, tea, if you want hot, instant grits, instant oatmeal, whatever you want, you can use this water. It'll filter out the fluorides, the chlorine, all that stuff, any contaminants in fresh water. It takes care of all of that stuff. And I have a discount link set up, and the discount link is WILD15, and the HTML will be posted online. You click it and you can get a discount, 15, maybe 20%, and try these filters out. This bottle, either the bottle, the pitcher, or the under sink mount. Now, as we're not on the road now, we're not out somewhere, but we will be using this along creeks, puddles, lakes, rivers, as long as it's fresh water. That's it. That is important, because places I go, y'all know I love the southeast Georgia coast, all down around the Blackwaters, the rivers, the marshes and everything. And the Satilla River and any of the rivers going in, the St. Mary's River, I checked that you need to pay attention to the salt line. Depending on the water flow in the rivers and the tides, the Satilla River, the salt line can extend as far up as 40 plus miles. The St. Mary's, it can extend up to 50 something miles. So be careful of the salt line, because it doesn't handle the salt, any fresh water. So let's see, what else do I need to say about this? Let's open it up. Nice bottle. Just suck through the spout, straw, whatever you'd like to call it. You've got the straw attachment for the top right there. Or I guess, no, it'll go on the bottom of the filter. When we actually get out in the field, we'll actually put this together and see how it all works. We'll have to get the instructions out and check it all out. But like I say, you've got 2 filters. Fresh water only, but anywhere, whether you're traveling foreign countries, back roads, just wherever you're at, forever bottle. It'll filter out the forever chemicals, the pharmaceutical chemicals that get dissolved in the water, like everybody's talking about. Oh, if you have leftover pharmaceuticals, flush them down the commode. Well, they end up in your tap water. So this will take care of those. Like I said, mercury. One thing I have found out, you go up in the mountains, you go down to the Everglades, the crystal clear, beautiful water. And it'll have an adviso sign on it. Do not eat the fish. Pregnant women don't eat any, you shouldn't eat any of the fish. It'll give you a servings, how many servings of fish you should eat from that water. Also up north in the mountains, up there in the Great Smokies, the coal mine creeks and rivers, beautiful, crystal clear water. You think it's perfect. You can just drink it, just scoop you a cup up of it and drink it. Again, the signs, adviso, mercury contamination. Well, this will remove that. So you don't have to carry a whole lot of distilled water or drinking water, expensive stuff. This will save you money. So we're going to try that live, but I'm sure we're going to like it. And let's see, if you got the pitcher or if you're in the house, the under sink mount would be perfect for that, removing all the stuff, well water that's got all the minerals in it, the hard minerals that will stain your commodes, the iron. It removes all of this stuff. So y'all check this stuff out and be sure to hit the discount link to get your discount. Wild 15, and it will be in the description. And if you have any questions, send me a comment. Tell me how you like it, what you think about it, and we'll go from there. So we want to get out as quick as we can and try this out. Maybe the next day or so we'll get it out, and we'll probably do a short too to introduce it. But yeah, Shopcat's going into her heated house. I Googled to find out what the best temperature for a cat house would be, and it says 106 degrees. So we've got her house set at 106 degrees for her. And she comes in and out as she pleases. She has her food. She walks a perimeter. She ran the squirrels out of the attic. When we got her, she was feral. And when we got her, she stayed upstairs for months. Didn't want to come down. She'd just come down to eat. And finally, she's turned into the shop cat. Frank and Sherry call her Charlie. That's her official name, but I call her Shop Cat. So I don't think she answers to either one. She doesn't answer to anything. She just does her own thing. So, okay, well, that'll be it for right now. I've run my mouth long enough. Got a little bit long-winded, but didn't intend to. But there again, Epic water filters. Check them out. Use the discount code WILD15. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. There are over 3,800 videos on there now. And so we're here in Frank's shop live. This is our base camp, you might say. Okay, folks, here we are, the removed section from the old Camelback Bridge over the Tougaloo River. Don't drop the camera.